How to get Sephora promo codes and Beauty Insider offers. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a complete guide on getting Sephora promo codes and unlocking the Beauty Insider offers, along with the best ways to earn discounts and freebies. So let's just get started. First thing you can do is join the free Beauty Insider program. You must be logged in as a Beauty Insider member to access most of the Sephora promo codes and benefits. So you can sign up for it on the Sephora's website. Go ahead and click on the sign in button and then create an account and sign up for the Beauty Insider as well. So once you have done that, the perks will include a free shipping on every order, access to exclusive sales, birthday gifts, and point-based rewards as well. Once you've done that, you can get different types of Sephora promo codes and offers. The first one being a seasonal saving events. So Sephora runs a twice yearly event, spring and fall, where members can save up to 10% if they're an insider and 15% if they are an VIB, with a $350 plus spent per year, and 20% off if you're a rogue. And Sephora collection items can receive 30% off during these events. Now you could also get text messages and sign-up offers. Signing up for Sephora SMS and text alerts can often yield a one-time code for 10% off for your next order. You can turn on the notification here after signing it on, and then you can sign up for the text and SMS. So once you have done that, you could also get some targeted promo codes, and those can be found when Sephora periodically issues online promo codes for free gifts with purchases and extra free samples for bonus points. So you might want to keep an eye out on Sephora's official websites. Now, on how using the code, you can head over to your basket after ordering, and then before you check out, you have an option here to enter the promo code. Just enter the code here, click on apply, and you should be able to apply the promo codes to your orders. And that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.